Ang labira.
Ang usanik. Can you pick up the other side?
Okay, now just like the other one, we gotta push this up
Yeah,
first.
you have to
and make
really
it
pick
easier.
up.
Oh, ikuan din ni, ipapilit.
Come over.
Kung anak, wala na sa content.
Pull it up and lock these in. So you can get under there.
Okay, I already locked it.
Lock what?
Yeah, this one here, the side.
Yeah. This part's back. Come on.
Oh,
Remember? Just like the other one.
okay.
So we gotta go out.
Oh, yes, Jupiter. Dili, Jupiter. Ay, isang buto ka.
Amagi sa nimote.
Okay. No, don't raise it up that way yet.
Oh,
Then you can get under and you can adjust it all.
okay.
Okay. Now you can put all this stuff together while it's still low.